In 1972, humans left deep space. Since Apollo 17, every astronaut in history has remained close to Earth, the International Space Station only 400 kilometers away. But NASA is about to send humans far beyond that. Before we land on the moon again, 4 astronauts will travel there and come back without landing. This mission is called Artemis II, and it may be the most important space flight since Apollo. Artemis II will be the first crewed mission of NASA's Artemis program. 4 astronauts will launch aboard the Space Launch System rocket inside the Orion spacecraft. Instead of docking to a station, instead of staying near Earth, they will leave Earth orbit completely and travel to the moon. They won't land. Instead, they will fly around the moon and return home. This is called a lunar flyby, the same type of journey Apollo 8 performed in 1968, and no human has done it in more than 50 years. Landing on the moon is dangerous, but the most dangerous part actually happens before the landing: deep space. Outside Earth's protective magnetic field, astronauts face solar radiation, extreme temperatures, communication delays, and total isolation. The International Space Station cannot test this; it's still protected by Earth. Artemis II exists to answer one question: can humans safely travel to deep space again? The Orion spacecraft must prove, because returning from the moon is far harder than returning from Earth orbit. Orion will hit Earth's atmosphere at about 11 kilometers per second, the fastest human re-entry ever attempted. If this fails, Artemis III cannot happen. The crew will travel roughly 384,000 kilometers from Earth. At their farthest point, they will be farther away than any humans alive today have ever been. For several days, they will see Earth as a small blue sphere in black space. No station, no rescue, no quick return. Communication delays will reach several seconds. They will truly be alone in deep space. During the mission, they are not just passengers. They are testing whether future astronauts can safely land on the moon. Artemis II is not about exploration, it's about risk reduction. NASA does not want the first landing attempt to also be the first human deep space test. If Artemis III is the moon landing, Artemis II is the mission that makes it possible. Every system, every procedure, and every safety measure for the landing depends on this flight. In a very real way, Artemis II is humanity relearning how to leave Earth. More than half a century ago, humans ventured into deep space for the last time. Soon, 4 astronauts will follow that path again. They won't walk on the moon, they won't plant a flag, but they will do something just as important. They will prove we can go back, and once we prove that, the next footprints on the moon will follow. We're about to witness the biggest era of space exploration in our lifetime. Subscribe to Dr. Malcolm so you don't miss what comes next. This is Dr. Malcolm, and humanity is getting ready to leave Earth again.